We've got a setup to go short. This white candle right here is our setup candle. We're going to go big on this one. And I'm going to zoom out and show you what this looks like. So with a zoomed out view, we can see that the price does have room to go. We're going to settle on target 2 for this. And I'm going to be using this white candle. So I'm going to set up this short trade over this white candle. So we're looking at the entry below the low of that white candle and the stop above the high. The timing of a trade is important because if you can get the timing right, you can make the stop loss very small. And now that we've got everything set, we are going to let this trade run. We're going to manage this trade as this trade plays out. We are going to move the stop loss. It is reducing the risk on this trade. I'm going to manage this trade a little bit. We can move this now into break even. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I like my trades to make money. What I don't do is take partials. Instead, what I will do is add to my position. I'm going to add another trade to the position that I've got. What I'm looking for is a very specific kind of method in order to add to a position. The first position has to be in profit, and we're going to share the same stop loss on both positions. If the trade loses, this second position may lose the full amount, but the first position is going to be in profit. So it's going to balance out a little bit. So we're never risking more than one trade's worth. This is another trade where the target was missed just by a little bit. However, we did have two different positions open during this trade. And as a result, we ended up getting a 4-to-1 and a 3-to-1. So from this one trade, we ended up getting 7-to-1 because we had two different positions. I do not take partials. I don't believe in giving away the profits that I'm going to get. If I'm looking for a 7-to-1, I want it to be 7-to-1.